Welcome to a deeper look into the OCTOBUS dashboard. In our previous video, we demonstrated how installing an energy-saving net on air conditioning units can reduce electricity usage by up to 35%. By tracking energy consumption over 3 weeks before installation and 3 weeks after, the results clearly showed a significant reduction. In this video, we'll show you how to compare energy data before and after installing the energy-saving net, and how to create the OCTOBUS widgets that make these insights easy to visualize. We'll guide you through 3 powerful widgets to showcase the impact: a linear regression widget to track energy trends over time, an energy consumption heat map to uncover daily usage patterns, a 3D energy consumption heat map to visualize performance across time and locations. Let's begin by adding a linear regression widget to the dashboard. Follow these simple steps. After creating a new dashboard, the Create New Widget window will automatically appear. Select Statistic, then choose Linear Regression Widget. Select Data. For the x-axis, we use the difference between the outdoor and indoor temperatures. For the y-axis, we use the energy consumed in watt-hours. For each variable, give it a name and select the asset type, specific assets, measurement, and aggregation method. Then specify time period by adding datasets. Name your dataset. Select the time span and choose time period to set the start and end dates. We measured temperature and energy consumption for 3 weeks without the aircon nets, followed by another 3 weeks with the aircon nets. These 2 datasets will be compared using linear regression. Define your visualization. Name the widget. Set the decimal places to define the precision. Label your x-axis and y-axis. Choose colors for your datasets and trend lines. Optionally, enable the Show Differences Trendline feature to highlight changes between the periods and customize its color. Once everything is set up, click Create to finish. Now, your linear regression widget is added to the dashboard, clearly displaying energy trends before and after the installation of the energy-saving net. This helps you easily track how the temperature changes correlate with energy consumption and the effectiveness of the aircon net. Next, let's create an energy consumption heat map. Follow these steps. Click the Create button or the plus icon at the top of the dashboard. A Create New Widget window will pop up. Select the heat map widget. Choose the data you used for the linear regression widget, energy consumption data. After selecting the data, click Next. Specify the time period. For the x-axis, select Day of Month. For the y-axis, select Hour. Under Type, select Time Period, and set your start and end dates, just like you did when setting up the datasets earlier. Once your data and time settings are configured, click Next. Define your visualization. Name your widget. Set the energy consumption ranges and assign colors to represent each range. This makes it easy to spot peak usage times and periods of lower consumption. When everything is ready, click Create to finish. The energy consumption heat map will now appear on your dashboard, giving you a clear view of how energy usage fluctuates throughout the day. Now, create a 3D energy consumption heat map to add depth to your data analysis. This widget allows you to visualize energy consumption across both time and locations, bringing a new dimension to your data. Click the Create button or the plus icon at the top of the dashboard. A Create New Widget window will pop up. Then choose 3D Heat Map widget. Use the same energy consumption data and time period settings as the previous heat map. Click Next. Customize your visualization. Name your widget. Define value ranges and assign colors to indicate different levels of energy intensity. This will help you see where energy consumption is highest and lowest across both time and space. Once everything looks good, click Create. Now you have a 3D energy consumption heat map, which visualizes energy consumption across various times and locations. It's a powerful tool for identifying complex patterns that would be hard to see in traditional charts or 2D maps. You've learned how to create a linear regression widget, an energy consumption heat map, and a 3D energy heat map in OCTOBUS. These widgets help you compare energy usage before and after installing an aircon energy-saving net, providing valuable insights into your energy consumption. Ready to unlock the full potential of your energy data? Start building your dashboard today with OCTOBUS.